Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Viewers, subscribers, welcome back to the channel, my people. Today I just feel like I just go all out. You see it, video on top of video, my people. And before we even go any further, give this video a like, because the more you like the video, I more reach more people. YouTube kind of more actually broadcast or promote the video, my people. Let's jump into the video. My viewers, subscribers, as you can see the title below, I hope you not get jumpy when you see how the video start. Viewers discretion is advised, because a lot of persons don't really know me. I do a lot of these content, because I don't only just talk about dancehall and entertainment. I also talk about other topics. Means listeners who favorite other niche, as in like news, Jamaican current affairs and all of that, you name it, people. So viewers discretion is advised. My viewers, subscribers, let's first talk about the Guzzo Boss Tamale Sparta, me attack, my people. You see it. So we all know that Tamale Sparta is behind bars, right? But he's now making the rounds on Twitter. Hashtag Tamale Sparta sex tape. My viewers, subscribers, prayer. So it appears that a female actually leak a sex tape with Tamale Night, my people. You see it. I don't know, as usual, people are gonna DM me for the video. You can't link me, man. You see me? Me just send it out until me can't go no more, because sometimes a whole heap want to link me. You see it, and me can't attend to all of the DMs at the same time. You see me? But you can link me for the video, my people. You see, but me nah lie. Guzzo Boss, you know, easy, you know, me know you go in your cell right now. Me know you know vex about this. You see, me know you know vex about this, and me know you know vex about this. Me know deep down. You probably kinda smile now, cause Gully be a female a feature a dog now. I say yo bombard, you know, see you never get a piece of Guzzo Boss. Me have to go link him a prison. Yo, a matter of fact, the female them wanna know which cell there or which prison there. Make them know quick and fast. Make a management team or you jump on Instagram, DM some people like them are DM me why now, female me attack. Make them know that them come link him with people, cause my viewers, subscribers, me see the video and first when somebody send me I say yo, I really tell me that? Me I say bombard that me I go to the person you my youth, me no watch porno, where I send my porno for. You see me? But then me I pay attention and me I say yo bombard. You know what say Guzzo Boss that? Guzzo Boss at work, my viewers, subscribers. You know me not have to describe it, and me not go describe it, my people. But if you don't want the video, you just link me feed. You see it, my people. Just link me feed. You see it? I don't know which female actually do it, but it is said that it was a female who actually leaked the video. Nobody know which female. If it's that beautiful lady, young lady that is in that video, within the video, if it's actually she leaked it, because apparently, judging by looking at her face, she was having a good time. She was having, I don't even know which word to use. You get me, my people? So I don't know, don't mix me, my people. You see it? But we not spend too long on your topic here, because I know my style, like my people. Let's talk about Mavado. So when you realize, say, yo, Andrew only slams the entertainment industry for the violence music and its contribution to the crime and violence in Jamaica, though. Yeah, man, Andrew only attack it and say, yo, you know, so we tell you the truth still, you know, so the gun lyrics might cause a problem in the country. You see, but a few artists never like it, you see, which includes Mavado. And of course, Mavado have the platform, him have influence on a lot of people, and based off how him go through right now with the system, of course, he would have actually responded to what Andrew said. And he did, of course, my viewers, subscribers, he did. Now, my people, this away Mavado Goliath say, and this is for people who can see it on the screen now and make it out. The man say, and I quote, "Why is this man blaming crime and music? Every prime minister that the people vote in, when them get them B-clat seat to work, them fail and come point fingers." Well, you know, say of course no grammar and them things in there. So anyways, well, we're pointing right back at you. What about all the grants that you and your parliamentarians get to take care of crime? Billions. That has nothing to do with entertainment. No one voted for us to lead. That's your job. What you need to do is clean up your corrupted government and stop intimidate the people. Tired of you. Hashtag Andrew Holness. JM, my viewers, subscribers. So, as me saying to my people, move on. I'll go through it right now. So, at least look a thing what the government themselves if even anger him in the situation I'm in right now, if I go come address it. You see me? And my viewers, subscribers, I give my 2 cents because you know. You see it? We all are entitled to our own opinion. It doesn't necessarily mean what I'm about to say is factual. You know? But to some extent, it is. You get me? Not all of it. My viewers, subscribers, what my father said there, him have a point. You see me? Him have a point. The people them never actually vote for them. You see it? For lead the country. You see it? And them can't just point fingers upon entertainers only. You see it? Because the government is also corrupt. The government them a buy a gun, get the use them. The government them first start what is known as ghetto, even though it's a mentality and it's a psychological slavery term, my viewers, subscribers. But in basically have a point, my viewers, subscribers. Him have a point. And a next thing too, while him have a point, you see it, and also let's just be fair, music has always had an impact on anything you do. It could be negative impact or positive impact. That's just music. And also gun lyrics is not just no gun lyrics in a music. It was way back then, and yet still the crime rate was skyrocket. My viewers, subscribers, if you know about your history and you like to read and you're good with numbers, it's not just now Jamaica has surpassed 1,000 crime per year. You see, it's not just now. So I kind of understand the level of frustration with the artists them commander, especially Mavado in this case, because the government make it look like, say, in his way, as how he interpreted it, it seems as if the government attack them. You see me? And let me just start based off how the Prime Minister said. You see me? Let's not shy away from the main fact that dancehall music and all has contributed to crime and violence, but it's still not the main cause. You get me? And let me just explain why I say that. Just as how you have a vehicle, and the vehicle have a whole heap of problem. The vehicle can actually have a headlight problem where you know say you drive where you can't see at night time. It can have a horn problem, you know say the horn not work. You see it? But it have a engine problem now. You know, once it have an engine problem, it can't drive. It can't move none at all. While if it have the headlamp, liquor, head casket, liquor, whatever, you see me? You know, say the vehicle can still move. You see it? That's how my basically explain it. So therefore, what basically says that dancehall music actually contribute to crime, but it is not the soul or the brain of the cause, my viewers, subscribers. You see it? And people need to understand this. We understand, say, yeah. You see me? In all honesty, a lot of these criminals, you see it? And let me say gun violence, gun crime. Yeah. You see me? A lot of these criminals, them actually look for them artists here for inspiration. The last time me check, all the artists are saying, say, shoot him, and if him girl, let them can get it too. You see me? And them see him wanna preach them things. So people who grew up in this type of culture, I go actually want do them things here based off of them artists say. So you have a few people, you have people who actually listen to what them artists say. However, the main issue that we are having is more of a socio-cultural issue, my viewers, subscribers. You get me? I say this is the main issue, the culture and the mindset. You see me? That are the main problem. This is what is driving the crime and violence, which every year Jamaica go over 1,000. You see me? You see, that are the main reason. You see, because Jamaican, they have now get for so praise these criminals. Nowadays they come like say, if you're done, you get more girl. People more even rated than more than rate a police or a soldier or even a teacher. You see me, or even a scientist. At the level there, the badness there right now. People praise them for be criminal. Dance, let's be honest. People praise the biggest dance them in the country. Not saying them they not look good to you see it, cause well padan put on charity and help out the youth them man. You see me? But it's a culture whereas them people here get praise. It's a culture if you just grow up and say no sir I've done more on badness. A youth we go school in the badness and get kicked out of school, more girl want him. You see me? I mean you have to go more in depth with it because I don't study criminology. You see me? But me just make you know it's obvious that it's a cultural issue, not poverty, not because you them not have no job, no, because we see other country were much more poorer than even Jamaica. You see me? We are much more uneducated than Jamaica. We have less job opportunities than Jamaica. I do good, whereas crime rate concern people. So let's stop follow them fake people here and look into reality. You see me? You have two things now. Objective truth and subjective truth. Objective reality, you have to know them things and viewers, subscribers. But comment what you think in the comment section below, and until next time, just vibe trader. I'm out.